Hello guys, welcome to Agriculture Engineering. Today's topic is fluid mechanics. First bit. Fluid mechanics is that branch of science which deals with the behavior of fluids at rest as well as in motion. Fluid mechanics is a branch of science. Fluid mechanics అనేది బ్రాంచ్లో ఒక సైన్స్. అది దేని గురించి డీల్ చేసిందంటే ఫ్లూయిడ్స్ అంటే లిక్విడ్ ఎలా పాస్ అయ్యింది, రెస్ట్ పొజిషన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు దాని యొక్క పొజిషన్ ఏంటి, దాని యొక్క బిహేవియర్ ఏంటి, యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ మోషన్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు అది కదిలేటప్పుడు దాని యొక్క బిహేవియర్ ఏంటి తెలిపేదాన్నే ఫ్లూయిడ్ మెకానిక్స్ అంటాము. హైడ్రాలిక్స్ ఈజ్ దట్ బ్రాంచ్ ఆఫ్ సైన్స్ విచ్ డీల్స్ విత్ ది వాటర్ ఎయిదర్ ఎట్ రెస్ట్ ఆర్ ఇన్ మోషన్. హైడ్రాలిక్స్ దట్ బ్రాంచ్ ఆఫ్ సైన్స్. హైడ్రాలిక్స్ అనేది ఇది బ్రాంచ్లో ఒక సైన్స్లో హైడ్రాలిక్స్ అనేది ఒక బ్రాంచ్. డీల్స్ విత్ వాటర్ అనేది వాటర్ దాని గురించి చెప్పేదాన్ని హైడ్రాలిక్స్ అంటాము. Fluid is a substance which deforms continuously when subject to shear stress. Fluid అనేది ఇది ఒక సబ్స్టెన్స్, అది డిఫార్మ్స్ కంటిన్యూస్లీ వెన్ సబ్జెక్ట్ టు షియర్ స్ట్రెస్కి గురైనప్పుడు దాని యొక్క ఫ్లూయిడ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ మనకు డిఫార్మ్స్ అయినప్పుడు మనకు తెలుస్తుంది. హైడ్రోస్టాటిక్స్ ఈజ్ ద స్టడీ ఆఫ్ మెకానిక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లూయిడ్స్ ఎట్ రెస్ట్. Hydrokinematics is the study of velocities and streamlines without considering a force or energy. Hydrodynamics is the study with relation between velocities and acceleration, the forces exerted by or upon fluids in motion. Dash is a branch of engineering science which deals with the mission run by liquids such water and oils. Hydraulic machinery. Dash can be defined as the mass per unit volume at a standard temperature and pressure, mass density. Dash is an opening for measuring the rate of flow of liquid in the side of tank or a small channel such that a liquid level is below the top edge of the opening. Notch. Dash is a concrete or masonry structure built across a stream or a river to raise water level on the upstream side and allow the water to flow to the downstream side, where the sheet of water flowing through notch or weir is called Napier vein. The bottom edge of the notch or a top of the weir over which the water flows is called crest or sill. Dash flow is defined as that type of flow which fluid particles move along a straight parallel path in layers or laminar flow. Dash flow is the type of flow which the fluid particles move zigzag way, turbulent flow. An opening is a vessel through which the liquid flows out is known as orifice. Dash is the ratio between the actual velocity of the jet at vena contracta to the theoretical velocity. Coefficient of velocity. Coefficient of contraction is the ratio between the area of the jet at vena contracta and the area of the orifice. Coefficient of discharge is the ratio between the actual discharge and issued and the theoretical discharge. Mouthpiece is a short length of tube or a pipe which is not more than 2 to 3 times its diameter fitted to an orifice of same diameter provided in a tank. Open channel is a passage through which water is flowing and the free surface of water is having contact with the atmosphere. Dash is said to be uniform if the depth, cross-sectional area and velocity of flow remain constant at a given time. Non-uniform flow. The depth varies from section to section at the given time. The flow is said to be a non-uniform. It is also called as varied flow. A channel with a constant bed slope and having the same shape at various cross-section along its length is known as prismatic channel. Wetted perimeter is the perimeter in contact with the liquid. Wetted area. is the cross-sectional area of the channel normal to the direction of flow. Hydraulic depth, it is the ratio of wetted area to top width. The rotating part of centrifugal pump is called impeller. Dash law, when fluid is at rest, intensity of pressure is equal in all the directions, is Pascal's law. When the pressure is measured either above or below atmospheric pressure, it is called gauge pressure. Dash is a device used for measuring pressure at a point in fluid. Manometer. Simple manometer is used to measure the pressure at any point in fluid contained in a pipe or a vessel. Differential manometers are used for measuring the difference of pressure between 2 points in a pipe or two different pipes. Pitot tube is an instrument to determine the velocity of flow at any point in a pipe or a channel. Orifice meter is another type of instrument to measure the discharge through a pipe. Hydrostatics is the study of mechanics of fluids at rest. Hydrodynamics is the study of mechanics of fluids which are in motion. Hydrokinematics is the study of mechanics of fluids which deals with the motion of particles without considering a forces causing motion. Steady flow is said to be a study when the quantity of fluid flowing per second is constant. Unsteady flow is said to be unsteady when the quantity of fluid flowing per second is not constant. Uniform flow is said to be uniform when the velocity of fluid does not change from point to point at any instant of time. Non-uniform flow, it is a flow in which velocity changes from point to point at any instant of time. Pressure energy is an energy possessed by a fluid particle due to hydrostatic pressure exerted by the fluid. Kinetic energy is the energy possessed by a fluid particle due to its velocity. Potential energy is the energy possessed by a fluid particle due to its position with respect to datum line. Equation of continuity, it states that the rate of discharge constant at all sections of the flow. Bernoulli's theorem, it states that in a steady ideal flow of an incompressible fluid, the total energy of which consists of pressure energy, kinetic energy and datum energy at any point of fluid is constant in its path of flow. Venturimeter is an instrument used for measuring the rate of flow of fluid through a pipe. The velocity of liquid at which the flow changes from laminar to turbulent is called critical velocity. The stream of liquid which flows out through the orifice is known as jet of water. Viscosity is the property of fluid which determines the amount of resistance to shearing stress. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. ఎప్పుడు మేము సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోమనటం మానవైతే బట్ ఫర్ ఏ చేంజ్ ఈసారి అందరూ కలిసి గంటతో పాటు లైక్ బటన్ కూడా గట్టిగా కొట్టండి. సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్ వంశీకృష్ణ.